This is Nurse Dadak again from Tyler, Texas. Merry Christmas. I'm gonna make empanada. It's Filipino empanada, okay? This time I'm gonna peel some potato. Okay, here's a potato. I will peel 2 potatoes and I'm gonna dice them and peel some carrots. This is chicken empanada, and then after this I'm gonna make the dough for the empanada, so it's gonna be quick, okay, and very easy, good for the holiday. In the Philippines, we make this for a special occasion because it's hard to make. But nowadays, we have food processor. Level up. I have food processor. I'm gonna use the food processor to mix my dough. Okay, that one first, and then I have okay, sauteing this garlic, then the chicken, medium heat, don't burn your chicken. A little bit of salt. That's it. And a little bit of powder. Pepper. What is ground pepper. Little bit of olive oil, until the chicken gets up, and we still have the carrots and potatoes. The carrots in. Oh, the potato and the carrots in. And some green peas. So that's the filling for the empanada, okay? Some people put some raisins on it. I'll put some raisins later. Not right now. I don't want to saute the raisins. So, once the carrots and the potatoes are cooked, it's done. Now we're gonna get to the empanada crust. So this is the ingredients. These are the ingredients, okay? 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. And then I already put the salt in there, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of butter unsalted, and 1/4 cup of icy water. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna use the food processor. Dump the flour in the food processor. Butter. Okay, we roll the dough. This is about 45 grams of flour of dough. The dough that we made, I measured it. Let it flatten, and then we'll put some of the filling. If you do this, you will have a very flaky empanada. I have a gadget. What's this called? Empanada dough. What's it called? This is for the empanada molder. You just go like this. Ta-da! Empanada press. Look, it's pressed perfect right there, and then we'll bake it for 20 minutes. Okay, here's the finished product of empanada. See how beautiful that is? You put some egg wash after you mold them, and then bake it, and when you see like this, it's cooked. Goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Merry Christmas to you.